Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to highlight an entire row in Excel based on a cell value. First, select your data. Click and drag to highlight the range you want to format. For example, select cells A2 through G10. Do not include the header row. Next, go to the top ribbon. Click the Home tab. Then click Conditional Formatting. From the menu, click New Rule. A new window opens. Now, choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This tells Excel to check a condition. For example, we will highlight row if C2 is exactly completed. In the formula box, type equals $C2 equals double quotes completed. The $sign locks the column. This allows the rule to apply across the entire row. Now, click the Format button. Go to the Fill tab. Choose a highlight color. Click OK. Click OK again to apply the rule. Excel now highlights the entire row when column C says completed. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.